And I'm Bella, and today we're going to show you 7 DIYs that are
quick, easy, and fun.
DIY number 1, lemon candle.
The materials you will need are a lemon, white string, and tea light candle. First, cut your lemon in half. Once you've cut it in half, take out the inside of the lemon. Look at that peel. Take out the wax and break it up in a small bowl. Crush it up as small as you can. Then put it in a microwave until it's melted. Quickly pour the wax into a lemon peel. Cut the string. Hold the string in place until the wax dries. And there you have it!
DIY number 2.
Crayon lipstick.
You will need coconut oil, crayons, 2 bowls or cups, an empty lip balm container, and a spoon. Choose the color you want your lips to be. Peel off the label and break the crayon into tiny pieces. Feel free to use more than one color. Now scoop out some coconut oil. Make sure your coconut oil and your crayon bits are in 2 separate containers. Now melt them separately. Then mix together your melted crayon and melted coconut. Pour it into your lipstick container. Next step, stain those lips.
DIY number 3.
Flip-flop saver.
You will need a flip-flop and a bread clip. All you have to do is attach the bread clip onto the bottom of the shoe. Make sure it's secure. And there you have it.
DIY number 4, Pom Pom thumbtacks.
What you'll need is yarn, thumbtacks, scissors, and a glue gun. First, wrap the yarn around 3 fingers about 25 times. Then cut the string. Take the yarn off your fingers and then with 2 cut pieces of string, tie them around the middle both ways. Then trim the pom-pom to your desired length. Hot glue the top of the thumbtack and then stick it in the middle of the pom-pom. There you have it. Now you have stylish pom-pom thumbtacks.
DIY number 5,
T-shirt dress.
The only thing you need is a large t-shirt. Put your body through the head hole. Adjust the shirt as if you were putting on a strapless dress. Tuck the sleeves into the center of the shirt. There you have it, your very own dress.
DIY number 6.
Phone book.
What you will need is a book, a cell phone, and a handy-dandy X-Acto knife. First, start by tracing your phone on the first page of a book. Then cut out the tracing with an X-Acto knife. Peel off the cutout of the pages as you go. Now it looks like you're reading the book, but you're really on your phone.
DIY number 7.
Shoe cleaner.
What you will need is a dirty shoe, nail polish remover, and cotton swabs. First, put the nail polish remover on your cotton swabs. Then, start scrubbing. Good as new. If you want to see our DIYs in writing, visit our Pinterest at pinterest.com/classyanimals. Thanks for watching!